Welcome back to my channel Yummy Bites by Sunita. Today I'm going to show you all how to make easy chicken sukka. So let's begin. In a pan, dry roast freshly grated coconut till the color changes and set aside. Heat 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Then add chopped onion and curry leaves. Fry till onion changes the color. Add ginger garlic paste and saute till raw smell goes. Now add chopped tomatoes and salt. Cook till tomatoes are soft and pulpy. Add chicken sukka powder and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add washed and cleaned chicken. Also add salt. Now roast it for 5 minutes in medium flame. Now cover and cook for 15 minutes or until the chicken is cooked. Once the chicken is cooked, add lemon juice and coriander leaves. Mix it well. Finally, garnish with roasted coconut. Mix all well and serve it hot. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.